Hey everyone, welcome to Mischief Panther. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Pycharm, the popular IDE for Python development on Mac with M2 chip. Let's get started. So first, open up your first preferred browser. I have opened Safari and search for Pycharm community for Mac OS. Then click on the 2 3 links which you have right there. Then you will open up the first link or second link. Then you will have the PyCharm Professional. This PyCharm Professional is a paid version and you will get a 30-day free trial on that. So you have to select Intel for Mac with Intel running and if Apple Silicon, if M1, M2 or later, you can select the Apple Silicon. And if you want the free version, if you're a student beginner, you don't want to pay, then you go ahead and click on the second link, which is other versions for PyCharm. Then you will find it here. The latest version 2024.2 is here. So you select here the DMG macOS and next to it macOS Apple Silicon DMG. You click that, and once you done with the PyCharm, you will redirect it to the download page, and you will download. Your download will start. Once download process is completed, PyCharm will automatically detect the Mac OS. But it's always good to double check, and the download will start. Once the download is complete, you will see something like this. You click on this, and you have to just drag the application to the application folder. So once done, great, PyCharm is now installed. Now let's open it for the first time. You can find it in your application folder, or you can use the spotlight search for pressing command plus space, typing PyCharm. I have removed indexing for now, so I'll go by the usual method. Now PyCharm will prompt you with a few initial setup questions. First, agree to the user agreement, and then you will see an option for data sharing. This is optional, so select you are comfortable with, click continue. Next, PyCharm might prompt you to import any settings from previous version. Since this is a fresh which I am installing fresh, so you can select do not import settings. So this is again prompting me to open the internet from internet. So this is confirm it, and then you can choose to not to share or choose to share. So this is to improve the JetBrains. So if you even if you don't send, it won't that much matter. So great. So now you can configure your first project on this. So after setting you up, you will see the PyCharm welcome screen like this. Now from here you can create a new project or open an existing one. Let's go ahead and create a new project to test our setup. So give your name to your project. So I'm just giving Python Manish, and I might also create a Git repository because I want to push it, or you can just undo it because this is your just basic, right? So this is where your projects are going to be saved. So PyCharm projects are going to be in this folder, so you can just change it anywhere. If you click on it, you can change it anytime. That's the way to do it. So now you know how to create, how to navigate inside PyCharm. This is great start. Uh, that's what it is. So that was a very quick PyCharm installation guide on macOS with M2 chip. Now ready to start coding in Python. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.